Music flows throughout the Beaufort Water Park pretty much any day of the week. But next week, the park's musical heartbeat will go silent.
Well, it was a 5-5 vote.
That's how the Beaufort City Council voted in favor of a noise ordinance. Mayor Pro Tem Donnie Beer says they voted Tuesday night to keep the noise down during the Beaufort Water Festival. This new rule will not allow loud music outside between 1 a.m. and 7 a.m. on the weekends, and from 10 p.m. to 1 a.m. every day besides Friday and Saturday. Beer says their reason is lack of security.
That is a good reason. That's a wonderful reason, because if something happens on this end and all your resources are on that end, you know, it could get ugly.
But Derek Comerford with Panini's Restaurant disagrees.
Every other year we've had entertainment out there, and as far as I know, we've never had a problem.
He says he was shocked by the vote, mainly because council members know how big of an event this is for the downtown area.
I mean, we're trying to get people to come down here, you know, whether they're dining or whether they're out, you know, for the nightlife. That's why people come down here.
Local restaurants here in downtown Beaufort say during the Water Festival, their business and customers increase, especially after hours. But since they cannot stay open longer this year, they're afraid that both their business and customers will go away.
The people probably just leave downtown once the, you know, whatever night they're here, once the festival's over with.
And Beer says she understands their concerns, but it's better to be safe than sorry. And the Water Festival starts July 17th. Now, these local bars and restaurants say they maybe hire a DJ, but it will not be the same as having a live local band. But for now, reporting here live in downtown Beaufort, I'm Larry Sproul, WJCL News, working for you.